Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your subscriber count on your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Open up YouTube and go to your Creator Studio. Now open up Settings. In Settings, click on Channel and then Advanced Settings. Disable the checkbox titled Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.